So, now see here, resolving power of optical instruments. So, what do you mean by the resolving power? What do you mean by the limit of resolution? All these things we have to study over here. So, first one, the resolving power of the microscope and telescope. So, see here, a human eye is also considered an optical instruments. So, we can also study about the resolving power of the here human eye. Now, suppose you have taken the two objects A and B. Light waves coming from these two objects A and B fall on the aperture, fall on the lens. Then the diffraction pattern is formed due to these two objects. When the diffraction pattern is formed here, so in this case the diffraction pattern is the circular part here, circular pattern is obtained. If the maximum of this and the maximum central maximum of this object found by these two objects separately do not coincide, it means the central maximum of the first object fall on the first secondary minimum of the second object. Then we can see two objects clearly and distinctly, and we can say the images are resolved or the instrument can resolve. So, the minimum distance up to which these two objects can be seen clearly and distinctly by an optical instrument. So, that minimum distance is known as actually here the limit of resolution. So, in this case, in case of the microscope, limit of resolution, that d minimum can be written here 1.22 lambda divided by, here we can write twice of mu sin theta in this case. So, this is the limit of resolution. So, resolving power of the compound microscope can be given by the resolving power is equal to reciprocal of the limit of resolution, and that is equal to resolving power Rp is equal to 2 mu sin theta upon 1.22 lambda. So, here mu sin theta is known as here the numerical aperture, and theta is here, suppose you have got the lens like this and the object is here. So, this is the angle here, the theta, this is the half angle is here. In this case, here mu is the refractive index between the object and objective lens. This is objective. So, the refractive index of this medium is here, that is mu. So, the resolving power of microscope depend on the refractive index as well as the theta and also the wavelength.